As Hurricane Irma continues to trek towards the Bahamas, it's important for residents to prepare. Although it's still too early to predict exactly what course Irma will take, weather models indicate that some of the southeastern islands could begin feeling the effects of the powerful Category 4 or 5 storm as early as Thursday. The Nassau Guardian has produced a list of the top things you need to do when a storm is threatening.
Purchase critical storm supplies. Protect your home. Follow reputable news. Create a hurricane plan.